is the place where today I'm taking you. Hello, Life in Motion Vlogs, 11th video. Today I'm not actually talking about some of my experience, but today it's a different day actually. It was raining in the morning, so today I've actually come to Bunnings. So what is Bunnings? Bunnings is a place where you can get your daily needs for gardening, some of your hardware, sanitary wares. So it's a one-stop shop. It's pretty famous in Australia. They're very famous for gardening. So today I'm actually taking you to one of the department stores in Bunnings in a place called Box Hill. So follow me. This is one of the most important tool which you need when you are having your own home or when you are renting as well. So it's called a lawn mower. You can see this in every houses. So pretty much this is actually used to cut the grasses in your garden, and also there are different models and brands. So again, having one of them is most important. So there are pretty much, they are operated by battery and they're also operated by diesel as well. So it depends on what is your budget and you can purchase one of these. So battery operated, the level of grass that needs to be cut will be low, but if it's diesel operated, it's very powerful and you can cut grasses very short. So this is one of the most important thing you need to buy and keep in your house. So again, these are the blinds for your house. So again, this is also one of the most important thing to control the light that falls inside your house. So pretty much this is like a one-stop shop. You can get everything that's needed for a house. So if ever you are planning to build your own house, or if you are purchasing a new house, you can come here, get all these materials over here. And again, let me also remind you one more thing. The staff who works here has extensive knowledge about anything. So if it's about gardening or anything about any of the tools, so you can just ask them. They'll give you extensive knowledge. And again, they don't market for expensive item. Even they can give you even low cost item as well. So it's a very good, they have extensive knowledge and they can help you out. I never had any knowledge about gardening. So when I came here, when I started seeing people who are involved in gardening, that's where I came to learn about it. So it's a great skill, and of course I keep asking to the staff of Bunnings, and that's how they help me out. And now I'm more into gardening. So today I've just come here to buy some of the things. So I'm just growing some roses and some flowers, so I need some of the tools for those gardening, and some of the items that can enhance the growth of these flowers. So I'll keep showing you around. So Bunnings is there in most of the suburbs. So yeah, keep watching. For camping, what you need, everything is there. So again, you can purchase some of these items. So as I mentioned earlier in some of my videos, Australia is a great place for camping. You have different places to explore. So buy any of these, keep it handy. So whenever you're going out, it's all there and it can help you out for your camping as well. And another thing, barbecue. Barbecue is also one of the common things what people in Australia are fond of. So I have bought barbecue kit as well. So keeping one handy is really good. So usually that's one of the most important thing where people actually get along. It's like a socializing moment. So barbecue is also important. So you can see here what I'm going to show you, some of the tools and kits used for barbecue. So again, everything you can get it here. Now this is a section where I'm going to take you guys. So again, before I take you to this section, as I always say, keep liking my videos, share as much as you can. I'll come to you guys, Life in Motion will be there with you to show you more places, share some real life experiences. And as I said, today I'm not sharing any of my experience, but I'm just showing you one of the most important destination or a place where you can get some of the things that is used for your household requirements. So here, I'm going to take you to this section. that's it. My day is over shopping at Bunnings. I like this place. Again, I ended up buying a few things for my gardening. So, very short video. Hopefully, this place can be informative for some people. Once again, keep liking my videos. Subscribe as much as you can. Until then, next video will be coming soon. Take care. Have a good day.